In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the OBS virtual camera on home and television. And you'll see it's really very simple and easy. So first of all, what you need to do is install these two files. I'll put the link in the description for you. Download both of them and we're going to install them. So I'll click on download for each one and the download should start very quickly. For example, here the download is starting for this one and for the other one as well. It's downloading. So once it's downloaded, guys, I'm going to open the folder. There you go, guys. The download is finished. Let's open them in their respective folders. There we go. We have both files right here. So I'm going to come here, double click on it, and it should bring up this prompt. Next, you just need to click on run, then accept by clicking yes, and it will ask if you want to make a change to the registry. Click yes here, and then you receive this message. This is a success message. Do this for both cameras here. And we're going to do the same thing again. It's really easy and simple. Just keep clicking yes, and you get this message again. Next, what you need to do is go to your device manager. Right click on the Windows logo here, click on device manager here, and then what we're going to do is disable the built-in camera on our PC. So if you're using a laptop, you should have a built-in camera. Here we have the HP HD webcam. I'm going to disable this. So here I've already disabled it, but if it's enabled on your end, you just need to click on disable. It's really quick and easy. Next, what you need to do is go to your browser settings. Let me open a new tab. Click here. So we're gonna go into our browser settings, alright? Here's what we need to do, guys. Go here, click on settings, scroll down and click on settings. Next, what you're going to do is click on privacy and security. After that, what you're going to do, guys, is scroll down and I'll show you exactly what to do. So here, guys, what you're going to do is click on site settings, scroll down, click on camera. Then we want to select our camera. So right now, this is the camera that our PC always uses by default. After you've done that, guys, you can go back to OBS, click on Start Virtual Camera, launch your virtual camera, guys. Go into Settings, and you want to enable the camera. You set up the new camera, set it up, and then you can refresh home television. And once you've enabled your camera, guys, once you've activated it in the device manager, you'll be able to use it through OBS. It's really just that simple and easy. So you'll use your virtual camera through OBS once you've enabled this here, and then you can do all your effects and that kind of thing. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If that's the case, consider hitting the like button.